What's up, crew? We're here at 10.8 Tactical. Gonna try to fix some of the damage on this Savage Model 10 here. If you've been following, you know that we got caught in a rainstorm a few weeks back and it wasn't pretty. Gonna learn a little something about Cerakote too, so stick around.
Hi, this is Michael Fedini with Eagle Imports and Walk the Talk America.
I'm Tony Simon from the 284E podcast.
Hey, this is Trent Ghost Tactical, and you're watching my good friend the Tactical Leprechaun, CloverTac.
And you're watching CloverTac.
You are watching CloverTac.
Welcome back. This is Jason Brandon, owner of 10.8 Tactical. How are you, buddy?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. I appreciate you taking the time today to kind of teach us a little something about Cerakote.
Not a problem.
How long have you been doing this?
Going on 3 years now doing it.
3 years now. About how many things you've done? How many jobs you've done?
Oh man,
Bunches, huh?
I've got 850 entries in my FFL book over there, and probably 2/3 of that is Cerakote jobs, others being transfers and stuff.
Yeah, you figure about 3 years, good Lord, that's one a day or something like that. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I've done quite a few of them.
Right. Now, where typically somebody comes in, they bring in a job like this, kind of a restoration type thing. Where do you start?
Well, first off, find out what they want, what colors they want, how they want it laid out, and then, like in your case, we're going to put a stencil on. So in a minute, I'll cut the clover that we're going to put on there. If it's just a straight job with nothing like that, I just break the gun down. Everything comes apart. Every spring, screw, pin, nothing stays in it. The parts that are going to be Cerakote go in the tank over here on the table with acetone.
Okay.
They soak in acetone for generally 20-30 minutes. Clean, gets all the oils and stuff off of them.
Right.
If I'm not in a rush, I'll put them in there and leave them in overnight. Just make sure they're good and clean.
Sure.
And then pull them out. They go in the sandblaster. Everything gets sandblasted down to bare metal. And then pull them out of the sandblaster, clean them again, blow the dust off of them. Then to the spray booth, and we spray them, and then into the oven.
All right.
All the metals are baked at 250 degrees for 2 hours.
Okay.
And then I've got another small oven over here that any polymers, like if I'm doing Glock frames or something,
right,
those are 180 degrees for 2 hours.
Can't get them quite as hot.
You're not supposed. It doesn't hurt them. I mean, Glock, it's not going to melt it, but the recommendation is 180. So that's what we do on the polymers and plastics and wood. You can Cerakote wood too.
Oh, awesome. Okay. Well, I guess it's time to get started then, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it.
All right. All right. We're going to import your picture.
Is that special vinyl for some reason? Or?
No, it's just plain old. This is the kind of transparent looking. A lot of people use the high heat vinyl, but I don't leave mine in there. I put mine in there long enough if it's in the oven, just to get it flash cured, where I can handle it. And if you leave this in the oven the whole time, like if I was doing this pattern and I left this on there the whole time it was baking, this leaves a stickier residue that you got to clean up versus the high heat vinyl. But I like working with this because I can see through it. It's kind of transparent, and when I lay it on there, I can kind of see where it goes.
Yep.
And it's easier to place it for me because I left.
Especially if you're working with a pattern.
Yeah, and I'll put it in there, flash it where I can handle it and not mess because like you can leave it in there 15-20 minutes and you can pull it out and handle it. It doesn't smear it, but it's not fully cured yet. And I'll pull the stencil off and put it back in and let it finish curing. Clip them later.
Definitely smell it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's at least I know it's still good because it'll burn your nose when you open it up. And once it starts getting bad, it starts getting kind of sour smelling, like. they show you when I went to training up in Oregon, the way they show you to do that is with those screws and stuff is to use little wires like this. Make sure I don't have to go start over.
What does the catalyst do?
That's what activates. Cerakote won't cure without that in it.
Okay, so it's
It's
a
a-
curing agent.
Yeah, it's what lets it. It's like an activator, I guess, of some sort. Pour it through a strainer. Left one of them sitting, and it didn't rinse it one time, and come out the next day, and I almost had to throw the thing away. I mean, I had to let it soak in the acetone forever to get it. I turned it down where it's spraying like a little dot instead of a fan pattern, so you can get inside like down inside the trigger guards and inside the slides and stuff like that. See, it goes on looking real wet and shiny, like gloss looking. Right. But then as it cures, it flattens out. Right there. Get all that bang. They called that a lint-free cloth, and I saw some lint on it. Oh, it's not 2102. There. A buddy of mine taught me that. Use clear fingernail polish. Goes like this, right?
Yeah, and all the weird stuff work like that.
Okay. There we go.
There you go, good as new and looking a whole lot better. I want to give a quick shout out and another big thank you to Jason.
Yes,
from
sir.
10-8 Tactical. Tell everybody where they can look you up, find out, maybe you got some more pictures of some more work and stuff like that.
Yeah, my Facebook page is 10-8 Tactical. The number 10-number 8, the word tactical. You can look it up on Facebook. It's got pictures of everything that all the work I've ever done on any of these guns is this picture on my Facebook page. I also have a website. It's 10-8tacticalgear.com, but that one's not updated quite as much as the Facebook is, so I refer everybody to Facebook.
Good deal. So make sure you check it out, 10-8tactical.com, or look them up on Facebook, 10-8 Tactical. That's going to do it for today. Until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.